Hey everyone, it's Caden here with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this week we're featuring the model known as the MeadowView. Now you may be asking yourself, what's so special about this MeadowView I keep hearing about? Guys, it is one of our most popular park models because you get a wraparound porch, you can get it with or without a loft. Guys, we cannot keep these things in inventory, so we are constantly bringing in with new colors, new shapes, new sizes, all kinds of new stuff. Guys, we are always spicing it up because we want you to see the newest stuff. So on this MeadowView, you've got one bedroom, one bathroom, and a loft area upstairs, and a really cool exterior that we've never done before. Again, we're trying to spice things up for you. If you look right over here, you'll see we've got a nice living room section right here. You can get a full-size couch in here. You can do some recliners. Guys, you've got all kinds of options. You've got, again, most popular model. It's because of this kitchen space. You've got an island that moves. You've got cabinets galore. You've got countertops galore. You've got a wide apron farm sink. And guys, again, we've got a window up above your sink. Sit there, wash your dishes, enjoy your view. Guys, this is why the MeadowView is popular. This is why we can't keep them in inventory right now. Because they go so quick. Because they are so pretty and they're so functional. Two things that are very important in any tiny home. Pretty and functional. Now, if you follow me right over here, you'll see we've got an entertainment center built in. We've got a really, really pretty HD laminate countertop right here. We've got the cabinets below. We currently have a picture right here, but you've got your TV jack. You can set your flat screen up here. How big of a TV you need for your tiny house? Guys, look how much room you've got here. You're not going to be that far away. You can go blind sitting there staring at that TV. Now, if you follow me right back this way, you can see we've got a staircase, carpeted staircase going up to the loft. You can do them with wood stairs. You can do them with wood stairs with the drawers. Guys, again, functional. Functionality is key in any park model. Follow me right here into the bedroom. You see we've got the windows on both sides. Again, you put your bed right here. You put your bed right here. Wherever you want, you are good to go. We've got your TV jack section right up here. We've raised it up a little bit where it's going to be a little bit higher than some of our other ones. Again, try and get you a little bit more functionality. You put your bed right here, you put your bed right here. Either way, you can see your TV. We've got lots of drawers right here. Guys, again, how big of a TV do you need for this space? You've got a big area right there. We've got barn doors here, where that way, again, we love our barn doors. Slide them back and forth. You've got all kinds of goodies that you can put behind there. If you follow me right in here, you end up in the bathroom. Again, we've got our 48-inch shower with the two seats there. We've got a linen cabinet on the commode. We've got cabinets galore. And we got a pocket door. Again, guys, we love our pocket doors, guys. They are functional. It's painted. It matches your trim. It matches everything else you got working inside this house. We've got your washer dryer connections right there. And guys, this is why this is the most popular. Catch this in as you're walking through here. We've got the windows. We've got the cabinets. We've got the light colors. We've got the subway backsplash. Guys, this is functional, this is pretty, and this is your next tiny home. Now guys, follow me a second and we'll go check out the exterior and see this porch. Now that we've made it out here to the porch section, you can see we've got a big, huge porch out on this one. This one's currently an 8-foot porch. You can go out to a 10-foot, you can go out to a 12-foot. Guys, what can you do with a 12-foot front porch? Guys, you can do anything you want. We've got a ceiling fan right here. We've had other people that have actually done it where we've got bracing right here where you can hang a porch swing your life away out here sitting on your porch. You've got patio furniture that you can place out here. You've got enough room for anything you want. And again, here's why this is one of the most popular ones. Look at this go right through here. Guys, you've got can lights going down here. You've got enough room here. You've got some space over there where you can hide all your lawn furniture if you don't want to keep it out here because maybe you're going to have a big event out here. Guys, you need this open, you can do that. You've got a space to put everything where it's out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. Thank you everyone for checking out another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Remember, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.